the history of the company. The Fluid Metal was a founder-owned company producing the various cast iron products at a small limits, at a small scale within the city limits. And back in 2007, the company named Home Industry, and it is owned by Mr. A.J. Timbe since 1973, took over the company industry and name it is Fluid Metal Private Limited. Today the company uh, today the company holds a um, major parts of the industry market in India in order to many cast iron, ductile cast iron, ductile iron casting, and they delivers their product to some of the uh, major production companies such as KTR Coupling Private Limited and Homex Wall Private Limited Company and Telemotors and many more. Next,
नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन.
next,
हा नेक्स्ट केलोय.
नाही दिसत नाही.
बघ.
Next आणि
हा.
introduction. The Indian foundry industry occupies placed in the shaping of the country's economy. The India is currently among the 10 largest producers of ferrous and non-ferrous casting and has over 6,500 foundries in the small, medium, and large scale sectors. Approximately 90% are in the small scale industries. The India exports manually above 701 crores worth of casting like USA and UK, Canada. However, still there is a lot need to be done to improve uh, even this improvement. So to export the casting of the export of the casting about the India is around 1% of the world requirement, and in order to increase this exports of the casting, uh, the Indian foundry industry has to be equip themselves with the latest technology such as automation and casting simulation, etc. Next slide. Next is a manufacturing process. It is a stepwise process. Uh, in manufacturing process, the casting is nothing but the casting is a manufacturing process in which the molten metal is poured into a mold and which contains the hollow cavity into a into desired shape and then allowed to solidify. The solidified parts are known as casting. Then next is molding. The mold, the figure number 1 shows a typical mold. A mold is a cavity created using a metal refractory grains, and the mold is referred to as the negative replica of the casting. The mold cavity receives the hot molten metal, and when cool shape component named as the casting is obtained. The figure shows the typical grand sign mold. Next, the next step, the melting and pouring. The melting is the process of the heating of the metal. It is liquid state. Melting is carried out the various types of furnace. There are two types of important furnace used to the fluid metals. One is coreless type induction furnace and cupola furnace. The figure number 3 shows the pouring of the molten metal. Next, next step is a coreless type induction furnace. It is also known as electric induction furnace. The furnace consists of an outer cylinder steel shell. The shell is in at the bottom of front side to the facilitate tightening. The coil is placed around the shell, which is made of the copper tube, inside which the cooling water is circulated to protect it from the overheating of the coil, and the shell is hinged at the bottom. The furnace is water cooled, and the crucible refractory lines, which is found by ramming and granulated to between the coil and the hollow internal. The coreless type induction furnace that can be used commonly used to melt the uh, various alloys of the steel and iron and then get to the melting liquid metal. Next, The figure 5 shows the coreless type induction furnace. Next, after the liquid metal is getting, next step is fettling. In casting, are to be separated from the sand and mold box before the gets the risers and removed. This is referred as a fettling and cleaning the casting. The steps involved in fettling are cut off the gates and riser using a saw, then the short blasting the casting to remove sand, then rough grinding with coarse grinding wheel, and finishing the last part is finishing the grinding. Next slide. The next, after the fettling, the short blasting is the next step. In the short blasting, it is a casting cleaning process and polish the metal. This casting are cleaned by using an equipment called short blasting machine, which is carried out by the core has been to be removed from the sand mold. The machine consists of two circular tables which are made to rotate at the suitable speed. The tables are located with the casting to be clean. The steel shots are blasted on the rotating casting through the impeller to separate the sand particle from the casting. Then the steel shears are placed on the table. Then when the steel shots media is to be channeled, then the abrasive steel shots accelerated and throwing high velocity in direction of the surface of the work material, and it is which is perfectly for the finishing, and the shots are collected and it is recycling and reused by dipping in magnesium. Next. The figure shows the short blasting machine. Next. After the short blasting, the next step is a grinding. In this process, it is a finishing operation used to remove the extraneous material from the casting. Next. The last step is to check the casting and the cracks and defects. It is getting the inspection. After cleaning the casting, they are subjected to the inspection to assess the quality of the casting. Casting are checked for surface condition of the casting are internally condition. The usual inspection, some common defects such as the surface roughness and surface crack detected by the visual inspection of the casting. The sand casting, the work instruction for the gain parameters and the carbon dioxide sand molds. The hardness is measured using the Scratch hardness tester, and minimum hardness of the mold must be 80 to 85. The figure 8 shows the testing shop of the cast. Next. A physical test. The figure number 9 shows the universal testing machine. A physical properties like hardness can be tested using the Billner test machine. The physical properties like tensile stress, compressive stress, and elongation and reduction in area to be determined using the universal testing machine. In this specimen of the given dimension is held in the jaws of a given dimension and of the machine, and then the load is applied uniformly until the specimen gate breaks. Then recorder is used to record the graph of the stress strain properties, and with the help of this graph, the different properties are to be calculated. Next. Nature of work to be carried out. In metal casting process, the casting is one of the manufacturing process. It is the first step of market making most of the product step, making the mold cavity. Material is first liquefied by property, heating it to suitable furnace, then liquid is poured into a prepared mold cavity, allowed to solidify. Product is taken out the mold cavity, trimmed and made to shape. We should consider on the following successful casting operation. Preparation of mold. First step is the preparation of mold of the pattern, then the melting and pouring of the liquefied metal, and then get solidification and further cooling to the room temperature. And last step is inspection, in which defects and inspection of the casting. Next. Types of knowledge to be gained in this industry. The training enables us to expand our knowledge, to clarify many engineering concepts, to study the various processes of the production. It tells us how the production process are carried out for the raw materials into the finishing production, and what are the improvements that can be done in the present system that will help to improve the current process and increase the production. Next. And conclusion. At the end of of this internship program, we can to conclude that there are many foundry processes which needs to improve, and also adoption of modern technology leads to efficient production with greater accuracy product. Also, this type of industries also improve the employment in rural level. Thank you. Next.
Okay, Sujit. Total, how many departments are there in that
Sir,
small factory in the plant? So total, how many
hmm,
sections are there?
section three sections are 3 to 4.
3 to 4. Okay.
In one section, sir, inspection detects the machines are there. In other, cupola and cordless type induction furnace is there, and other section is short blasting machine and grinding machines are there.
And they are designing and all where they are doing, which softwares they are using
What, sir?
for designing of this mold castings. Okay. So which softwares they are using?
Designs,
Design and casting. Are they
designs.
doing any design in the
It is
okay in the plant? They are
SolidWorks
doing any design.
design of what, sir?
No, any design department is there.
Design department not so there.
Then how the if the customer comes and will gives the order, okay. So
Uh,
from the when they receive the order, from that first where it goes, okay, which department will take care of that? As soon as receiving the order, who will receive the order in the company? If the customer came, the customer has to meet to whom in the in that company. Then after that customer meeting the particular person, how that sequentially process is going on there. If the customer comes with an order, okay, to whom he has to
uh,
meet, how that order after receiving that, how it get processed. Okay, so can you give the flowchart of that? Means we can explain that how it works, how what will happen there.
it is there in, sir, inspection department is there, sir. And
Which
other
department?
office is there. Office department office is there, sir.
What they are doing in the office?
What, sir?
Office people are looking up what?
Sir, their production of all and quantities of getting the industry to how much casting is to be required.
Mm. How do you classifying this castings? What are the different types of casting methods?
Casting, sand casting, sir. Sand casting, investment casting, and die casting.
Die casting. Okay. So, what the special skills you learned in the from the industry? Already you are doing this founder lab in your that graduation course. Okay, one of the lab you already studied that. Okay, so that
Yes.
is in a small scale to give that overall ideas you are conducting some small experiment. Okay, when you approach to the industry, okay, so they have gone through that actual models are preparing there. Okay, okay, what the difference you felt there? What the additional you skill you have gained there?
Know the various processes of the production system, production process, sir.
What kind of defects are observing in that casting product? What are the different defects you found there, and how they are identified them?
So they are using the cast iron products, getting for the engine blocks and cylinder heads.
Okay, excellent. In that, okay, you do you find is there any quality department there?
What, sir?
Quality department is there? Quality testing,
Quality
quality
testing.
checking department is
Yes,
there?
yes, sir. Quality testing there, sir.
Okay, is there? Then once that if it is, do you found during your internship, do you find any that defect product, defect cylinder, defected
Defect.
part? On what basis? On what basis decide that this is a okay?
What, sir?
Means normal defect means what kind of defect you observed there?
Some products are not yet sir finish in proper finishing, and cracks are occur. Then that yet the products are defects.
Mm. And that grinding they are doing, na, some remove the extra part from the custard. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what type of grinding they are doing?
These sir,
Cylindrical
there are
grinding or some grinding methods are there, na?
branch grinding, sir, branch or pin type grinding machine.
Okay. Thank you. Reporter, share me.
Ah, okay, sir. After we shall-
Okay.
okay, thank you, sir.